Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon. In this recording, I'm going to be showing you how to build a dashboard in Vizy. So Vizy is a visualization tool that you could actually build a dashboard or a story, and you have all these kind of charts, different charts that you could build from. And although pivot tables, KPI cards, for the storyboard, you could add a text block, image, divider, callout. And on the left hand side here, you could see the options where you could upload the data set. And here you could pick the color theme, which is pretty cool. You could add all these. And um, let's go to old projects. Let's create a new project. Let's call it sales demo dashboard. So first thing first, let's just upload our data set here. And this is an AI prepared data set. It contains several attributes and fields, which I'll show you in just a second. So first off, what we want to create is some KPI cards along with maybe a bar chart and maybe like a heat map or a map. So let's just get started. What I'm going to create first is a stream. This is a very powerful visual. Let's create it together. And in this case, I'm gonna add a customer segment, and I'm just gonna create. I'm gonna just pick something that has more depth to it. That's by month. Let's see, country. Country looks a little bit nicer. Let's just add that to the workspace. When we add something to the workspace, it gets added here um, to the dashboard view. Let's see if we could add a donut. Um, Access, let's just add the revenue. Oh, you know what? Just add the funnel first at the stage. The customer segment or category is fine. And the revenue, just add labels on here. You could add labels, the data labels. Here we got from this funnel software products 100%, from the hardware is 82%, and so on. Just add that, and I'll change the theme to lavender so you can see how it changes everything. So just add some KPI cards for now. Um, you could name total revenue, and you could add that to the workspace. KPI card, units, that's the total units. Add it to the workspace. Add another one. Um, discount percentage. Let's add that to the workspace. And let me just add two more, or just averages. It's the average revenue. And then lastly, another one, units. average. It's, let me just add that to the averages. You can see the aggregation part here. You could add a sum or average count, minimum or maximum. Add that to the workspace. Let's see how it looks like. So it looks pretty neat so far. So let me just edit the layout. We have this as full, so you can see like everything in here. And this one as well, I'll have it as full. No, I didn't look that, but half is fine. We could add one more chart. Let's just click on done in here. Then lastly is we could add a relationship between product here and revenue. This. So on the left hand side, you can see like the units um on the left hand side for the y-axis, and on the right side is the revenue. So the revenue here for standard supports for 48,000 and so on. Let me just add that to the workspace. Let's see how it looks like. Edit, and let me keep that as half so it adjusts automatically. So you click on done. Here you could, as you could see, like it's the cross filtering works perfectly. Whenever you click on something, everything else changes. Let me just unclick that. You could see like everything in here. You could add some depth to the dashboard, where you could add an image or a divider between things. Add that to the workspace, and let's see how we could use it. Actually, it's not very useful in here. Let's just keep it. And yeah, this is pretty much it for the sales demo dashboard. Please feel free to try it. I think it's $5 or $10 a month. It's pretty easy to use. We just built a complete dashboard in under 8 minutes, and it's pretty easy to use. In the upcoming videos, I'm gonna be going more and more in depth on how to actually build more comprehensive dashboards with a lot of depth to it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.